modulation. Right. Now put the heading as frequency domain description or frequency domain representation. Frequency domain description. So many times I told that frequency domain representation of a signal nothing but spectrum, right? Sometimes question is in the examination, sometimes question is explain about the spectrum of AM wave or spectrum. Spectrum of AM wave, that is amplitude modulated wave. Right? Already I told that any modulation technique, time domain representation mathematical equation and a graphical representation in time domain and equation in frequency domain and finally spectrum, that is graphical in frequency domain. So first two already completed. Now coming to third one, frequency domain representation. Now tell me, how can you get the frequency domain representation of a signal? By applying
Fourier transform.
Good. So by applying Fourier transform. Now you have to apply the Fourier transform. So Fourier transform to mathematical equation for amplitude modulated
wave.
Right? So we know that the time domain representation of the AM wave, SAM of T equal to, what is the equation? Once again, I want to write the equation AC into 1 plus KAM of T into cos 2 pi FCT. This is the equation. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now I want to apply the Fourier transform to this equation. So just I want to expand this equation like AC cos 2 pi FCT plus AC KAM of T cos 2 pi FCT. Now I want to apply the Fourier transform to this equation. Do you remember about the frequency translation property? Do you remember or not? Frequency translation property. Or before that property, tell me one thing. What is the Fourier transform of cos 2 pi FCT? Remember one thing, just I want to use the Fourier transform, but here you don't want to write Fourier transform formula like minus infinite to plus infinite, f of t e power minus j omega t dt. No need to write that formula. Directly you can use the answer, okay? Again, no need to write that formula, no need to substitute, no need to do the integration, no need to substitute the limits. Directly you have to use the Fourier transform of cos 2 pi FCT. That answer you have to substitute. Now tell me what is the answer for this? Anyone? What is the Fourier transform of cos 2 pi FCT? Don't know? Fourier transform of cos 2 pi FCT. So answer is 1 by 2 del of f minus fc plus del of f plus fc. I think you know in terms of omega, right? What is the Fourier transform of cos omega ct? Yes, tell me the answer. Fourier transform of cos omega ct. Fourier transform of cos omega ct. Don't know? Anyone? Actually 1 by pi del of omega minus omega c plus del of omega plus omega c. But here I don't want to write in terms of omega. I want to write in terms of f. Okay. I want to write in terms of f. I don't want to write in terms of omega because here my consideration is cos 2 pi FCT is the carried signal. That's why I want to write in terms of f. So finally formula is 1 by 2 del of f minus fc plus del of f plus fc. Now I want to use the frequency translation property or frequency shifting property. Frequency translation property or frequency shifting property. The Fourier transform of x of t cos 2 pi FCT equal to So here I want to apply the frequency translation property equal to 1 by 2. This is very, very important. Throughout this subject, you have to use this formula, this property, frequency translation property. So 1 by 2 x of f minus fc plus x of f plus fc. If anybody having any doubts how to get all these things, no problem. After completion of this class, you can post a message to me, then I will give the all these things, right? So frequency translation, Fourier transform of x of t cos 2 pi f c t having the Fourier transform is like this. That is Fourier transform of x of t cos 2 pi f c t equal to 1 by 2 x of f minus f c plus x of f plus f c. So these two formulas are very, very important to find the spectrum of AM signal. Right? Now look at the equation number 2. So my equation is S of t equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus AC Ka m of t cos 2 pi fct. This is my equation. Now I want to apply the Fourier transform because I want to draw the spectrum. So in order to draw the spectrum, you have to apply the Fourier transform. So by applying Fourier transform, now we can write S of f, right? Actually, you can write S of omega, but here I want to write in terms of f. That's why you can write S of f, or you can write like this as S am of f. So this S of t nothing but time domain representation of the amplitude modulated signal. S of f nothing but frequency domain representation of the amplitude modulated signal. Or simply you can say that spectrum of amplitude modulated signal is S of f. So AC into, according to formula, 1 by 2 del of f minus fc plus del of f plus fc plus AC Ka. So m of t into cos 2 pi fct. In the previous, I told that definitely formula x of t into cos 2 pi fct, but here m of t into cos 2 pi fct. That means we can write 1 by 2. That is by 2 m of f minus fc plus m of f plus fc. Don't write small m here, right? I think you know about this. Time domain, frequency domain. So in time domain, you can write the small letters. Coming to frequency domain, you have to write the capital letters. That is very, very important. Because by looking at the notations, you have to say that is it time domain or frequency domain. So you have to show the differences between the time domain and frequency domain. So try to write the small letters in time domain, that is small m of t. But coming to frequency domain, write capital M of f. But you no need to write capital M of capital F, right? So f indicates frequency, t indicates time domain. So finally, the spectrum of AM wave is like this. This is another equation. The spectrum of AM wave is AC by 2 del of f minus fc plus del of f plus fc plus AC into Ka by 2 m of f minus fc plus m of f plus fc. I think this is the equation number. Try to follow the equation numbers, right? That is your wish. Is it clear about this? So final two equations. First, we are starting this amplitude modulation with one equation, that is S of t. Now finally, the spectrum of S of t nothing but S of f. The S of f is like this. Okay. Now tell me one thing in this equation. What is AC? Again, carrier amplitude. What is del of f minus fc? Yes. What is the meaning of del of f minus fc? What is del of f? Tell me that first. What is the meaning of del of f? It is a impulse, right? Is a impulse exists at f equal to 0. Okay, na? Del of f is the, actually when you go for the impulse function, del of t is an impulse. It exists only when t equal to 0. Similarly, del of f equal to impulse, it exists only when f equal to 0. And what is the meaning of del of f minus fc? It is shifted by fc.
When f equals to fc.
When f equal to fc. Del of f plus fc nothing but exists only when f equal to minus fc. Right? Then what is m of f minus fc? Del nothing but impulse, that is okay. But what about m? M of f minus fc nothing but right? What is M of t?
Message signal.
Message signal.
What is M of f? What is
Message signal and frequency.
okay, no problem. What is S of t? What is S of t? What is yes? What is S of t?
Modulated.
Amplitude modulated.
What is S of f? Yeah, respond.
Modulated
Spectrum of amplitude
Spectrum of AM signal, right? Now tell me what is M of t? Message signal. Now what is M of f?
Spectrum of message
Spectrum
signal.
of
That's it.
the message.
That's it. Message signal spectrum. Is it okay? Okay, right. Finally, mathematical equations in frequency domain, that is S of f, completed. Now I want to sketch the spectrum. Right? Now I want to sketch the spectrum. So similar to time domain sketches, here also first I want to sketch the message spectrum. Next, carrier spectrum, and finally amplitude modulated spectrum. Now I want to sketch the signals. So first I want to take the message signal, that is in time domain. So in time domain, the message signal is actually like this, right? This is a message signal. This is my consideration. Don't fix the shape here. Once again, I'm repeating that. Now I want to draw the spectrum for this. Here, actually, I don't know about the message signal, right? I don't know about the mathematical equation, mathematical representation for the message signal. It may be anything. So after applying Fourier transform, you will get the spectrum. So I want to take that spectrum as M of f. Actually, here I don't know the exact mathematical representation of the message signal. That's why I want to consider the spectrum may be like this. Once again, I am repeating, don't fix the shape here. Suppose if you know that M of t equal to cos 2 pi fmt, at that time you can say that the spectrum equal to like del of f minus fm, f plus fm. But here, I don't know the mathematical equation of the M of t. That's why I don't know the exact spectrum of the M of t, but I want to assume like this. So this is the spectrum of message signal, and I want to assume that the highest frequency component is fm. So negative side, this is minus fm and this is plus fm. Don't confuse. Sometimes in some textbooks, they used to consider the maximum frequency component equal to W. Don't confuse. Sometimes you will find W, sometimes you will find fm, sometimes you will find omega m. Don't confuse, okay? Here I want to assume that the maximum frequency component in the message signal is fm. So fm and this is minus fm, right? So this is the spectrum of message signal. Next, I want to go for the carrier signal C of t in time domain. So we know that it is having the highest frequency when you compare with the message signal. Please try to maintain the same amplitude and same time period. That is, so this width and this width same. Please try to maintain that. So AC, this is plus AC and this is minus AC. Now I want to sketch the spectrum for this. Can anyone? Any cases? C of f. Any cases? What is the spectrum of carrier signal? Do you know the, first of all, tell me one thing. Do you know the mathematical representation of the carrier signal or not? Yes. Do you know or not? Mathematical representation of carrier.
Yes, sir.
What is the mathematical representation of carrier?
AC cos 2 pi fct.
Okay, AC cos 2 pi fct is the mathematical representation of the carrier signal. Now tell me what is the spectrum of this? Spectrum nothing but directly you have to apply the Fourier transform. What is the Fourier transform of cos 2 pi fct?
1 by 2 del
AC
of
by 2 into,
minus
that is
f.
1 by 2 into del of f minus fc, del of f plus fc. Right? So here I want to write that AC by 2 del of f minus fc plus del of f plus fc. Okay. So what is the meaning of this del of f minus fc? Nothing but impulse existed f equal to
Impulse
fc.
exists. FC.
This is fc and suppose this is minus fc. So impulse exists. Yet f equal to fc. What is the amplitude of this? AC by 2.
AC by 2.
Is it okay? Similarly, at minus FC also another impulse is exist. So amplitude of this also AC by 2. Is it clear about this? Because here we know about the mathematical representation of the carrier, but coming to message signal, we don't know about the mathematical representation of the message signal. That's why here just I want to assume like this. But coming to carrier, AC by 2 del of F minus FC plus del of F plus FC. Impulse exists at F equal to FC. Impulse exists at F equal to minus FC with an amplitude AC by 2. Is it okay? And one more point is here, coming to this spectrum, message spectrum, minus FM, this is FM, and this point is C. This is F is equal to 0 point actually. That's why I want to assume that this point as M of 0. Is it okay? What is the meaning of M of 0? Amplitude of M of F when F equal to 0. This point. Is it okay? Clear about this? Okay, with this message spectrum, carrier spectrum completed. Now I want to sketch the amplitude modulated spectrum.
Sir, carrier spectrum ఒకసారి చెప్పరా sir?
Yes, what happened? Carrier, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your point is actually, see, for example, if you want to sketch the del of t signal, del of t nothing but it exists only when t equal to 0. That is, at t equal to 0, impulse is exist with an amplitude 1. This is the definition of impulse, right? For example, if you want to sketch the del of t minus 1, del of t minus 1, what is the meaning of this? Impulse exists only when t equal to 1. So t equal to 1, it is having an impulse, having the amplitude is 1. Similarly, del of f minus fc, according to definition of impulse function, it exists only when f is equal to fc. That means f equal to fc, it is a positive value. So I want to assume that here fc, here on impulse is exist. Here the amplitude is equal to 1. But coming to our equation, AC by 2 into del of f minus fc. That means impulse existed, f is equal to fc with an amplitude AC by 2. That's where I want to write as AC by 2 as amplitude. Plus one more impulse is there. So this impulse is del of f plus fc. That means f plus fc is equal to 0 actually. That is f is equal to minus fc. So at minus fc also one more impulse is exist. What is the amplitude? Amplitude is same here. That is again AC by 2. That's why minus fc, one more impulse, AC by 2. Is it okay now? See, simple. How many impulses here? How many delta functions? 2 functions. Del of f minus fc, del of f plus fc. So f minus fc means impulse exists when f is equal to fc. F plus fc nothing but impulse exists when f is equal to minus fc. So with an amplitude AC by 2. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear or do you need once again?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Understand.
Clear, right? Now I want to sketch the amplitude modulated signal. Suppose I want to go for the under modulation case because reconstruction is possible in that case. Suppose. Try to sketch neatly. Okay, this is S of t. Right. Now I want to go for the spectrum. This is very, very important. Listen carefully. But this is f and this is S of f, right? Okay. When you look at the equation, so try to, so here I want to write the equation. This equation is AC by 2 into del of f minus fc plus del of f plus fc plus, what is the equation? AC into Ka by 2 m of f minus fc plus m of f plus fc, right? Is it okay? Now first see, first del of f minus fc, del of f plus fc into AC by 2. What is the meaning of del of f minus fc again? One impulse exists when f equal to fc. F plus fc nothing but impulse exists when f equal to minus fc. So
Minus
first
FC.
I want to draw the impulses minus fc plus fc. Please listen carefully. Some difficulty is there. So it is having the amplitude. What is the amplitude for this? AC by 2, right?
AC
Or I want to
by
write
2.
like this. This is AC by 2 into del of f plus fc. Is it okay? This impulse corresponds to
Yes, sir.
AC by 2 del of f plus fc, and this impulse is try to maintain the same width actually. And what I want to say is duration between the 0 to minus fc, same duration. Try to maintain the same width between the 0 to fc. Here it is not possible to maintain the same distance. Please in your notebook try to maintain the same. So this is AC by 2 del of f minus fc. Up to this clear? So the first part is clear. Okay. Now coming to second part. What is the second part? AC into Ka by 2 is the amplitude. M of f minus fc. What is the meaning of this? Do you remember M of f? What is M of f? M of f is the
Message signal
Related
spectrum.
message
Spectrum of
signal.
message signal.
this is the message spectrum. Suppose this is minus fm and this is plus fm. Here this value is m of 0. This is m of f. What is the meaning of m of f minus fc? Anyone? Okay. In one more way, suppose another way, x of t is a signal. What is the meaning of x of t minus 2? Please respond. What is the meaning of x of t minus 2?
Signal exists when t equals to 2.
No. Signal shifted. This is shifting, right?
Yes.
Time
Right
shift.
shifted.
It is
X
shifted
of
2
t is a
units
signal.
towards right.
Right, very good. So x of t minus 2 shifted by 2 seconds. Similarly, m of f is the spectrum of the message signal. M of f minus fc nothing but the entire spectrum shifted by plus fc. Similarly, when you go for the m of f plus fc, the entire spectrum shifted by minus fc. Or simply we can say that m of f is the spectrum, the center frequency is 0. When you go for the m of f plus fc, again the spectrum is shifted with the center frequency is minus fc. So in this case with the center frequency is plus fc. Is it okay? That means the spectrum shifted towards the right side and towards the left side with an amplitude AC into Ka by 2. Is it okay? With an amplitude AC into Ka by 2, the spectrum shifted towards the right side and towards the left side. The center frequency is, for this case, this is Fc, and for this case, this is minus Fc. That means like this. Is it okay now? Center frequency is here plus Fc, here minus Fc. The spectrum is shifted towards the left side and towards the right side. That means here this spectrum corresponds to AC into Ka by 2 m of f plus fc. Is it okay? Yes, please respond. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is correspond to AC into Ka by 2 and m of f minus fc.
F minus fc.
So entire spectrum shifted by plus fc minus fc with the center frequency fc and minus fc. Anyway, one more problem is why here this amplitude less compared with this AC by 2. So definitely AC by 2 is more when you compare this value. That's why I want to write like this. And here this value is, that is this amplitude is AC into Ka by 2. I want to take like this into m of 0. This is okay. This one at 0. At 0. Actually, this amplitude is AC by 2, this impulse amplitude, and this amplitude is AC into Ka by 2. According to this equation, AC into Ka by 2, and this point is m of 0. So this point is m of 0. Is it clear? Finally, this is the spectrum of AM. Any doubts here? Please look at that. Look at that. Any doubts? Right. And coming to this limits here. So coming to this, I told that when you go for the spectrum, this is minus FM plus FM. So this is minus Fc. So you can write this is minus Fc minus Fm. And this is minus Fc plus Fm. And coming to this point is, any cases, Fc minus Fm. And this point is Fc plus Fm. Finally, this is the spectrum of amplitude modulated wave. These are also very, very important, these points. Minus Fc minus Fm, minus Fc plus Fm, and this point is FC minus FM, and this point is FC plus FM. And remember one thing, always here you have to maintain this FC value is greater than FM. Otherwise, what happens? There is some overlapping. Okay, actually here this much of gap is there between these two spectrums. Actually, if you maintain FC less than FM, then automatically there is some overlapping like this. Whenever overlapping is there, you cannot reconstruct the signal. That means phase reversal. That is nothing but overmodulation, envelope distortion. So always you have to maintain FC value greater than FM. Clear about this? Any doubts here? Please respond. I want to give 2 more definitions. Time is running out. Please respond. Any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Right.
Yes,
sir.
Now, based on this spectrum, you have to define 2 things here. Those are USB and LSB. USB, LSB. So please take the definitions here. This is upper sideband. Upper sideband, and this is lower sideband. See, look at this graph here. So directly with the help of this, you can get the definition also. In the positive side spectrum, this is, you can say that positive spectrum, and this is, you can say the negative spectrum. In the positive spectrum, this upper part is known as USB. Listen carefully. And this lower part is known as LSB. And coming to negative spectrum, this lower part is known as USB, and this upper part is known as LSB. That means, look at the definition. Just listen to the definition. For positive frequencies, that means this one. For positive frequencies, the portion of the spectrum, this portion, lying above the carrier frequency, FC is the carrier frequency, lying above the carrier frequency is known as upper sideband. Once again, I am repeating. For positive frequencies, the portion of the spectrum of an AM wave lying above the carrier frequency is known as USB. Below the carrier frequency is known as LSB. And coming to negative frequencies, below minus FC, USB, above minus FC, LSB. Clear about the definition? For positive frequencies, time is running out, that's why I want to write fastly. The portion of the spectrum of an AM wave lying above the carrier frequency, FC, is referred as upper sideband USB. Now clear? For positive frequencies, the portion of the spectrum of an AM wave lying above the carrier frequency FC is referred as USB. Suppose if you want to define the LSB, how can you define that? Below the carrier frequency. Below the carrier frequency is referred as lower sideband LSB. Suppose if you want to go for the negative frequencies, for negative frequencies, USB nothing but, yes, respond please. USB nothing but below minus FC, and LSB nothing but
Above
minus FC, right? Simple like this. That means when you go for the positive frequency, simply you can say that this is USB, this is LSB, this is USB, this is LSB. But coming to negative frequencies, for negative frequencies, this is USB and this is LSB. This is for negative frequency, this is for positive frequencies. Remember these 2 definitions. And always you have to maintain FC value is greater than FM in order to avoid the overlapping. To avoid the sidebands overlapping otherwise. To avoid the sidebands overlapping, you have to maintain FC value is greater than FM, or FC value is greater than FM in order to avoid the sidebands overlapping. There is upper sideband and lower sideband. Clear about this? Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, finally, one more definition I want to give. That is put that in as bandwidth of an AM wave. With this, I want to stop the class. Just take this. So bandwidth of an AM wave. Fast, please. Bandwidth of an AM wave. So what is the definition of bandwidth? So many times I told that bandwidth is nothing but
Difference between higher cutoff frequency
simple.
and lower cutoff frequency.
Difference between higher cutoff frequency and lower cutoff frequency. Is it okay? Now look at the spectrum. Look at the spectrum. So suppose here I want to go for this. I want to go for this. That is positive frequencies. What is the higher cutoff? Higher frequency here FC plus FM. What is the lower frequency? FC minus FM, right?
FC.
So higher frequency FC plus FM here, and lower frequency is FC plus FM. Suppose if you go for negative frequencies, higher frequency minus FC plus FM, lower frequency minus FC minus FM. Here bandwidth nothing but difference between these two. Simple. So sometimes question is transmission bandwidth. Transmission bandwidth. Sometimes question is define transmission bandwidth. So we know that the difference between highest frequency component of the AM wave and lowest frequency component of the AM wave. We know that for positive frequencies, highest frequency component of the AM wave is FC plus FM. Lowest frequency component of the AM wave is FC minus FM. I'm repeating once again. For positive frequencies, the highest frequency component is FC plus FM. Lowest frequency component is FC minus FM. Therefore, the difference between these two frequencies is known as transmission bandwidth of an AM wave. I am repeating once again. The highest frequency component of the AM wave is FC plus FM. The lowest frequency component of AM wave is FC minus FM for positive frequencies. The difference between these two frequencies defines the transmission bandwidth of an AM wave. I want to denote the transmission bandwidth is BT is equal to difference between these two, that is FC plus FM minus FC minus FM nothing but plus FM. These two gets cancelled and BT is equal to 2FM. Very, very important formula. In most of the competitive exams, not only objective exams, competitive exams also, this is very, very important. In GATE exams also. The transmission bandwidth of an AM wave is 2FM, where FM is nothing but highest frequency component of the message signal. So don't confuse here. FC plus FM nothing but highest frequency component of the AM signal. This is the lowest frequency component of the AM signal. But FM nothing but highest frequency component of the message signal. Is it okay? Not only positive frequencies, you can go for negative frequencies also. Suppose if you go for negative frequencies, what is the highest frequency component? Yes. For negative frequencies, what is the highest frequency component? Minus FC plus FM. Lowest frequency component is minus FC minus FM. Again, take the difference between these two. When you take the difference between these two, minus FC plus FM plus FC plus FM. Again, these two gets cancelled. Answer equal to 2FM. Same. You will get the same answer. Don't confuse that. Don't think that you will get the different answers when you go for the positive and negative frequencies. But most of the times you have to consider only the positive frequencies. That's why definition also we can write for positive frequencies. If you want to write the definition as negative frequencies also, no problem, nothing wrong in that. Finally, tell me, what is the transmission bandwidth of an AM wave? Yes, please tell me the answer. 2FM. Very, very important, most important formula. Remember this. Transmission bandwidth of an AM wave. Or simply you can write like this. Bandwidth of AM equal to 2FM, where FM nothing but maximum frequency component present in the message signal. Or you can say that simply, and one more thing is, time is running out. See, FM nothing but actually I told that baseband signal bandwidth is like this, right? 0 to FM. Do you remember this? So this is the bandwidth of AM signal, FM. So you can also say that bandwidth is, remember this point also, exactly twice the message bandwidth. Phi is the message bandwidth FM.